Imagine you are floating in space. Complete silence. Complete darkness and then flint. You see it. A point in the universe so powerful not even light can escape its grip. You are being pulled toward it. And there is absolutely nothing you can do to stop it. In the next 12 minutes, find out exactly what happens to your body, your mind, and your sense of time. The answer is stranger, more terrifying, and more mind-blowing than anything you have ever imagined. First, a black hole is not a hole. It is not empty space, it is actually the opposite. A black hole is an unimaginable concentration of matter, crushed into an infinitely small point called a singularity. It begins when a star much larger than our Sun reaches the end of its life and burns out completely. It explodes in one of the most violent events in the universe, at a supernova kind powerful enough to destroy entire solar systems. What remains collapses under its own gravity, crushing down and down and down, down until a black hole is born. Its gravity is so extreme that nothing, not matter, not energy, not even light, can escape its pull. The boundary where escape becomes impossible is called the event horizon. Cross that line, Tashi, and you are never coming back. Some black holes are smaller than a city. Others, supermassive ones, are billions of times larger than our entire Sun. In fact, at the tip, there is a supermassive black hole at the very center of our own galaxy, right now 4 million times the mass of our Sun. Now what if, let's put you in the scenario. You are an astronaut alone in space trip. You are still millions of kilometers away. But already, this is called gravitational lensing. Gravity so powerful it physically bends the path of light around it. The black hole is surrounded by a blazing ring of superheated gas and dust swirling at nearly the speed of light. That ring reaches temperatures of billions of degrees, hotter than anything else in the entire known universe. It is the most beautiful, total, and most terrifying taffel thing any human being has ever seen. And it is pulling you in. The difference in gravitational pull between your head and feet becomes so extreme your body starts to stretch longer and longer. Scientists actually call this spaghettification. Yes, that is a real official peer-reviewed scientific term. For a small black hole, this happens before you even reach the horizon. But for a supermassive one, things get even stranger with a supermassive black hole tree. You could cross the event horizon and feel absolutely nothing at first. The horror comes later. Now prepare yourself. Gravity warps time itself. The closer you are to a massive object, the slower time passes for you compared to everyone else. To you, falling in line time feels completely normal. But to someone watching from a safe distance, they see something impossible. They watch you slow down and slow down and slow down, until you appear completely frozen. And the strangest thing of all, you might not feel it, there is no wall. No, but from your perspective, you keep falling normally, while billions of years pass on Earth in what feels like minutes to you. You look back above you, the entire outside universe is compressed. The rise and fall of all human civilization, the death of the sun, the end of Earth chronicle, all happening while you simply fall. Ahead of you cats only the singularity, a point of infinite density where the laws of physics as we know them completely break down. This is not science fiction. Time dilation is one of the most confirmed, proven phenomena in physics. Your GPS corrects for it every single day, and now you are approaching it. The event horizon, the most significant boundary in the known universe. the absolute point of no return. What happens at the singularity? Nobody knows, not Einstein, not Hawking, not anyone alive. One of the greatest unresolved mysteries in all of science, but wait. Before we accept that this is simply the end any, there is one more extraordinary twist. In 1974, Stephen Hawking proposed something extraordinary. Said Tom, "Black holes are not permanent, not quickly over a period, unimaginably longer than the current age of the entire universe." Terry multiplied millions of times over. And here is the most mind-blowing part. Everything that ever fell into the black hole, including you, is encoded in that escaping radiation. In 2019, humanity took the very first real photograph of a black hole. In 2022, NASA converted pressure waves from a black hole into actual sound. For the first time we heard what a black hole sounds like. There are over 100 million black holes in our galaxy alone. And there are 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Wormhole theory bridges through spacetime. Gravitational wave. Black holes are not just objects in space. They are windows into the deepest questions humanity has ever dared to ask. What is time? What is space? What happens when the laws of physics completely break down? We do not have all the answers yet, but science is getting closer every single day, and every answer we find only reveals a deeper, more astonishing question waiting beneath it. If this blew your mind, you are in exactly the right place. Every week on What If Lab, we take the universe's most impossible questions and answer them with science. Hit subscribe and the bell right now, Campbell, so you never miss what we discover next. It costs you nothing and it means everything to this channel. Next time on What if the sun disappeared for 24 hours? Trust me, you are not ready for the answer.